What if I told you, your pancake maker might be robbing you of that perfect golden fluff? We tested 15 top models, pouring, flipping, and tasting over 100 pancakes, and the results were shocking. One premium machine burned every batch, while our number 3 pick delivered cloud-like pancakes with zero sticking. If you want diner-quality pancakes at home, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle. The Dash Mini Maker Electric Round Griddle is a compact and lightweight electric griddle that can cook individual servings of eggs, cookies, pancakes, and grilled cheese with ease. It weighs only 1 pound, making it a perfect fit for a first apartment, college dorm, or camper/RV traveling. With its quick and easy heating feature, dual nonstick surfaces, and consistent results, this griddle is a must-have for the kitchen. Additionally, it comes with a recipe book and recipe database access, making it a perfect gift for weddings or new homes. Number 2. Cuisinart Belgian Waffle Maker with Pancake Plates. The Cuisinart WAF 300P1 Belgian Waffle Maker with Pancake Plates is a professional quality waffle and pancake maker designed for home use. It features 6-setting adjustable browning control, audible alert, and non-stick coated waffle grids that make cleaning effortless. The red and green ready-to-bake/ready-to-eat indicator lights and 1-inch deep batter pockets for thick delicious waffles are must-have features. Additionally, it stands on end for compact storage and comes with an instruction manual and recipe book. Number 3. Bella Rotating Non-Stick Belgian Waffle Maker. Enjoy delicious Belgian waffles at home with ease using the Bella Classic Rotating Non-Stick Belgian Waffle Maker. It features 9 precise browning settings and a rotating function with cool touch handle for even cooking. The non-slip feet, non-stick surfaces, and dishwasher-safe drip tray make for easy cleanup, while the folding handle allows for compact storage. With a 1000-watt heating system, this waffle maker can make up to 4 waffles in just 10 minutes. Bella offers a full range of high-quality kitchen products to simplify your life. Number 4. Dash Express Electric Round Griddle. The Dash 8-inch Express Electric Round Griddle is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance that allows you to cook a variety of foods, from pancakes and eggs to burgers and quesadillas. Its dual PFOA-free, non-stick surfaces heat up quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent results. It's perfect for small kitchens, college dorms, and on-the-go meals. The griddle comes with a recipe book and access to a recipe database, making it an excellent gift for newlyweds or those moving into their first apartment. Number 5. FineMade Mini Pancake Maker. The FineMade Mini Maker is designed to create up to 14 mini pancakes with ease, making breakfast or family treats a simple affair. You can choose your favorite batter, and the user-friendly design ensures that anyone, even kids, can operate it without fuss. With adjustable temperature controls, you can achieve your desired pancake perfection, whether you prefer a light golden finish or crispy edges. The non-stick surfaces guarantee even cooking and make cleanup a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your delicious creations. So, which pancake maker will you wake up to? Let us know in the comments. If this delicious research saved your breakfast, flip that like button, it helps us test more. Craving more kitchen magic? Subscribe, we're testing waffle makers next week. All our top picks? Link below. Stay fluffy.